Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Can you believe it's the school's 60th anniversary?
I know. I really like the photo exhibition. It's fascinating to see how the school used to look.
Right. The photos explain a lot about our school in the past.
Look, these two pictures were taken in 1970.
Wow, that long ago. The school looks more like thatched houses with paddy fields all around. You can see there were only a few classrooms and the walls were made of mud and straw and, look, trenches.
I think that was during the war, so it was necessary to have the trenches right there.
Ha! The students in this picture are wearing rubber sandals and straw hats.
Hey, and these pictures were taken in 1985. Look at the broken tiled roof and wooden window frames. And some of them are missing.
Yes, I can't imagine how those students could study in such poor conditions.
Right. Things have improved considerably now. We have everything. Comfortable classrooms, learning facilities like computer rooms.
Yeah, we also have nice uniforms and proper shoes. We're much luckier these days, but I'm not sure our grades are better.